Deep in Africa's lush rainforests, a powerful yet gentle creature quietly shapes its world, the gorilla. These magnificent animals move through the emerald shadows, their presence almost mythical, yet grounded in the reality of the wild places they call home. The largest of the great apes, gorillas are not monsters of legend, but thoughtful, family-oriented beings whose survival is vital to the health of their ecosystem. Living in close-knit groups, they nurture deep bonds, communicating through a rich language of gestures, sounds, and expressions. As they forage, gorillas act as nature's gardeners, dispersing seeds and regenerating the forest for countless other species. Their daily movements and feeding habits help maintain the delicate balance of the rainforest, ensuring that new life can take root and flourish. Their presence signals a thriving ecosystem. When gorillas flourish, so do the forests. The health of these ancient woodlands is intimately tied to the well-being of their gentle guardians. To lose them would be to tear a vital thread from the fabric of life on Earth. The disappearance of gorillas would echo through the forest, affecting countless plants and animals that depend on their stewardship. Even from afar, their charisma is undeniable. Their strength, matched by their tender care for their young and complex social bonds. Watching a mother cradle her infant or juveniles at play reveals a world of emotion and connection. Gorillas challenge our perceptions, showing that great strength and gentleness can coexist. Their powerful forms conceal a remarkable sensitivity and intelligence. Understanding them is a journey into a parallel form of intelligence, revealing our shared evolutionary heritage. Their thoughtful gaze reminds us of the deep connections that link all primates. We see ourselves reflected in their behavior, social structures, and capacity for emotion. Their laughter, grief, and affection echo our own, bridging the gap between species. As we explore their world, we explore a part of ourselves. Observing gorillas in their natural habitat is a humbling reminder of our place within the web of life. Their story is a chapter in the grand narrative of life, and it is our responsibility to ensure it continues. Protecting gorillas means protecting the forests, the wildlife, and the future of our planet. The future of these gentle giants and their forests rests in our hands. By safeguarding their world, we preserve the wonder and balance of nature for generations to come. Gorillas are divided into two main species, the western gorilla and the eastern gorilla, each adapted to unique African habitats. The western gorilla includes the widespread western lowland gorilla and the critically rare cross-river gorilla. Eastern gorillas are larger, with two subspecies, the iconic mountain gorilla of the Virunga Mountains and the eastern lowland gorilla, or Grauer's gorilla. Each subspecies faces unique survival challenges shaped by their distinct environments. Western lowland gorillas thrive in steamy jungles, feasting on fruit and even aquatic plants. Mountain gorillas endure cool, misty highlands, relying on leaves and stems. These differences highlight nature's power of adaptation, each group evolving traits to thrive in its habitat. Subtle variations in diet, fur, and social behavior are all responses to their environment. Recognizing these distinctions is crucial for conservation. Protecting each subspecies requires tailored strategies. To save gorillas, we must respect the diversity within their remarkable family. The physical presence of a gorilla is awe-inspiring, massive yet graceful. Adult males or silverbacks can weigh up to 220 kilograms, their strength evident in every movement. Females are about half the size but equally agile and strong, especially when climbing or caring for young. Thick hair covers their bodies, with mature males developing a striking silver saddle across their backs, a symbol of leadership and maturity. The silverback's prominent crest and powerful build command respect within the troop. Eastern gorillas display dramatic contrasts between jet black fur and silver saddles, while western gorillas have a subtler brownish-grey mantle. The silverback leads, protects, and makes all major decisions for the group. His presence ensures the security and stability of the troop. Despite their formidable appearance, gorillas are gentle, embodying both power and grace. Their social structure revolves around the silverback's guidance. In the gorilla world, strength is matched by responsibility and care. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, their diet shaped by the plants available in their habitat. Mountain gorillas are dedicated folivores, eating leaves, stems and shoots from over 140 plant species. Western gorillas are more frugivorous, seeking out fruit when in season and even wading into swamps for aquatic plants. Their foraging patterns reflect intelligence and an intimate understanding of the forest's rhythms. A typical day is structured around feeding, resting and socializing. Adult males can consume up to 30 kilograms of vegetation daily, their large abdomens housing digestive tracts for tough plant matter. Gorillas rarely drink water directly, getting moisture from their food. Their powerful jaws and dexterous hands allow them to select and process the best parts of plants. This peaceful plant-based lifestyle reveals the gentle nature behind their powerful build. A gorilla troop's day follows the sun, unfolding in a calm, predictable rhythm that has shaped their lives for generations. Each day is a gentle cycle, guided by the needs of the group and the changing light of the forest. Each morning, gorillas awaken in nests built fresh the night before, youngsters high in trees, adults on the ground. These carefully woven nests offer comfort and safety, protecting them from the chill and dangers of the night. The troop, led by the powerful silverback, moves slowly through the forest foraging for food. The silverback's leadership ensures the group stays together and safe, guiding them to the best feeding spots. They travel only as far as needed, their home ranges varying with food availability. Sometimes they wander just a short distance. Other days they explore new corners of the forest in search of fresh leaves and fruit. Gorillas walk on all fours, knuckle walking to protect their sensitive palms. This unique way of moving allows them to navigate the dense undergrowth with ease and efficiency. After hours of feeding, the troop enjoys a long midday rest, time for digestion, grooming and play. This break is essential, giving their bodies a chance to recover and their minds a moment of peace. Young gorillas tumble and chase, strengthening social bonds. Their playful energy fills the forest, helping them learn important skills for adulthood. As afternoon fades, the group resumes foraging until dusk. They search for the last leaves and shoots of the day, making sure everyone is well fed before night falls. At day's end, the silverback selects a new nesting site, and the cycle begins again. Each member carefully builds their own nest, preparing for another peaceful night. This routine provides security and stability in harmony with the forest's rhythms. The gorilla's daily habits are perfectly tuned to the world around them. Their peaceful existence is a meditation on family, food and rest. Every moment is shared, reinforcing the deep connections within the troop. In the gorilla world, life is lived in close connection with nature, a daily dance of survival, togetherness and harmony with the wild. Gorillas live in close-knit family groups called troops, typically led by a dominant silverback. Troops range from a handful to over 30 individuals, including females, their young and sometimes subordinate males. The silverback is protector, guide and mediator, leading the group to food and defending against threats. Life within the troop is generally peaceful, with strong bonds between mothers and infants and supportive relationships among females. The silverback is gentle, with the young often serving as a living jungle gym. When females mature, they leave to join new groups, promoting genetic diversity. Young males also depart, sometimes forming bachelor groups before leading their own troops. This dynamic system ensures the health and resilience of gorilla populations. The troop structure centered on the silverback is key to their survival. Gorillas possess a deep contemplative intelligence, excellent memory, problem-solving and planning. In the wild, they remember the locations and seasons of hundreds of food plants and use tools to navigate their environment. Communication is subtle, with a vocabulary of vocalizations, grunts, rumbles, alarm barks, and the iconic chest-beating display. The chest beat, amplified by air sacs, is a ritual to assert dominance and prevent conflict. Gorillas prefer to resolve disputes through display rather than fighting, a testament to their intelligence. In captivity, they've learned sign language, shown self-awareness, empathy, and even humor. They grieve lost companions and recognize themselves in mirrors. These abilities reveal a rich inner world, far beyond basic survival. Gorillas are thinking, feeling beings, deserving of our respect. Their intelligence is a reminder of our shared evolutionary journey. A gorilla's life begins after an 8.5-month gestation, with a single tiny infant dependent on its mother for warmth, nourishment, and protection. The newborn is fragile, weighing just a few pounds, and relies entirely on its mother's care to survive in the dense forests. For many months, the infant clings tightly to its mother's chest, rarely letting go. As it grows stronger, it begins to ride on her back, gaining a new perspective of the world. Through playful interactions with other youngsters, it learns essential skills for life in the troop. Play is more than just fun. It builds strength, coordination, and social skills, all under the watchful eyes of protective adults. These early lessons are crucial for developing the confidence and abilities needed to thrive. Young gorillas nurse for up to 4 years, forging deep bonds with their mothers. This long dependency slows population growth, but it ensures each infant receives the care and attention needed to survive. Females mature around age 10 and leave their birth groups to find new families, while males mature later, becoming powerful silverbacks between 12 and 15. Adolescence is a time of change, learning, and finding one's place in the social structure. In the wild, gorillas live 35 to 40 years, though some may reach even greater ages in the safety of zoos, where threats are fewer and care is constant. An old silverback, though slower with age, is wise and experienced, guiding his family through the challenges and changes of the seasons and protecting them from danger. The gorilla life cycle is a slow, remarkable journey, from helpless infant to respected leader, each stage building on the last, shaping the future of the troop. Every stage is vital, and the loss of even one individual is deeply felt by the entire troop, as gorillas are highly social and empathetic creatures. Their lives are a testament to patience, resilience, and the enduring strength of family bonds, echoing through generations in the heart of the forest. All 4 gorilla subspecies are critically endangered, facing threats almost entirely caused by humans. Habitat loss from agriculture, logging and mining fragments their forests, isolating populations. Poaching for bushmeat and the illegal wildlife trade, along with snares, has decimated numbers. Disease, especially Ebola, poses a grave risk, wiping out entire troops in weeks. Proximity to humans increases disease transmission, while civil unrest disrupts conservation. The cross-river gorilla is the rarest, with fewer than 300 left. Mountain gorillas number around 1,000. Eastern lowland gorillas have suffered catastrophic declines, and even the more numerous western lowland gorillas are in danger. Without urgent action, gorillas could vanish from the wild. Their survival depends on our commitment to protect them. Despite daunting threats, hope remains thanks to dedicated conservationists, researchers, and local communities. The mountain gorilla's population has doubled in 3 decades thanks to hands-on conservation and responsible ecotourism. Ecotourism provides economic incentives for locals to protect gorillas and their forests, funding conservation and creating jobs. Reforestation and habitat corridors help connect isolated populations, vital for genetic health. Discoveries of new gorilla populations have led to enhanced protection of key habitats. The future of gorillas requires global cooperation, local engagement, and conscious choices to reduce our impact. Their story is one of resilience, of both apes and the people fighting for them. By supporting these efforts, we can ensure gorillas continue to thrive in Africa's forests.